Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to describe a bit small information about Mahakumbh Mela 2025. So everyone in the social media are speaking about this very incredibly about the great grand festival of India. So even I also wanted to share about the significance, history and all the incredible things about Mahakumbh Mela 2025. So millions of people across India are going to Prayagraj. On this occasion, I really want to share some of my opinion, the history, the significance, all about the Mahakumbh Mela 2025. So please watch the video until the end for more interesting stories. So the history of Mahakumbh Mela has dated back thousands of years. So this holy sacred Hindu festival is held once in 12 years, where it is held in 4 holy locations: Haridwar, Prayagraj, Ujjaini and Nasik. So the origin of this festival is linked to the legends of Samudra Manthan, which we study in the Puranas. As we study, there was a battle between gods and demons for Amrit, where the drop of nectar fell in these 4 places, making these 4 places as a holy sacred place for Hindu peoples. So many religious activities takes place during the Mahakumbh Mela, where ನಾನು ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೋಲಿ ಬಾತ್, ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಶಾಹಿ ಸ್ನಾನ. ತ್ರಿವೇಣಿ ಸಂಗಮ ಆಗೋ ಗಂಗಾ, ಯಮುನಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ, ದೀಸ್ 3 rivers are gonna get interconnected. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಳುಗಿ ಎದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನೇ ಪಾಪ ಕರ್ಮಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಕಳೆದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹಿಂದೂ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಶಾಹಿ ಸ್ನಾನ. ಸೊ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ thing that I have to discuss with you is meeting saints and sadhus. What is meeting saints and sadhus is there are renowned sages and Naga sadhus who have been come for the holy festival, and there is a significance where they will take a first bath in that holy river. So where I told you Triveni Sangam, so these are the people who take the holy bath, and we call them as renowned sadhus or sages or Naga sadhus. All these people have been meditated for long years ago, and all the way back from India they have come to Prayagraj for such a holy festival in India. So mainly there are yagas are going on there, because devotees come from far places for doing fire rituals, where we call it as yagna or yag. It is mentioned where we believe that it brings lot of prosperity, peaceful and salicity for all the family peoples, and for their own peacefulness people believe in doing yagna yagas. So this is also a kind of ritual going on in Prayagraj. So Mahakumbh Mela is one of the largest gathering in the world, where millions of devotees and religious people have been attended this festival. Mahakumbh Mela, the largest gathering of India's festival, where the dates are started from January 13th, 2025 and continued till February 26th, 2025. So around 100 millions of people has been gathered in Mahakumbh Mela, and also it has been recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage. So Mahakumbh Mela is not just a festival, it is a symbol of devotion and also the journey of spiritual awakening. So it is a spread of message of humanity, tolerance and also the brotherhood. Let's continue this sacred tradition and live with faith and righteousness. So this Mahakumbh Mela is held once in 144 years. As you can see, it might be the last Mahakumbh Mela as seen by my great grandfathers, or the next Mahakumbh Mela will be seen by next our grandchildren most probably. So I am literally excited to share all these thoughts with you people. It was a very great opportunity for me to learn about something very devotional, spiritual. It is a journey for me, where I have scripted all these things, but still I couldn't make out how I scripted, and what I am speaking is literally different, because everything comes soulfully when we are speaking about our own religion, about our India, about our culture. Speaking about our culture takes a lot of time, but still I would like to make this video very short and sweet for you people, so it doesn't get bored out for you. So thank you so much for watching my video until the end, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because your support means a lot for me. Nowadays I am not uploading the videos continuously, since I am busy with my few schedules in the hospitals and everything. If anything new interesting cases I am getting with, and for sure I'll come with the next video in front of you. So please be waiting for it, and thank you so much.